Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the cardinality and the permutation. So, as we see in the number 5 question, F question, 5 separate words are to be presented to select students from a class of 30. So, our set is step 1, student 1, students 2, student 2, to the student 30. And our step have 4 steps. The steps of choose a words 1, a words 2, a words 3, a words 5, a words 4. So it should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. How many different outcomes are possible if the students can receive any numbers of awards? So any number of awards means that the S1 can choose for awards 1, awards 1, awards 2, awards 2, awards 3, or awards 1, 2, 3, awards 1, 2, 3, 4, awards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually we need to find the cardinality of the power set in the distribution for 30 students among the 5 awards. So actually we can use it as a tree diagram. So the first step to choose awards 1, we have 30 wave. Why? Because we have 30 students. Let's see. Here. Students 1, student 2, students 3, students 4, to students 30. And in step 2, number of ways to choose award 2. We still have 30 students to choose award 2 because each of the students can choose as many awards as possible as they like. So for the S1, we still have 30 ways from step 1 to step 30. And similar as S2, we still have 30 ways. And similar as F-SOS. So it's a similar process to the following 3 steps. We still have 30 ways to choose the step. And as you see that each ones are expanded based on the first one. So we should multiply it together. The first one is 30, the second one is 30, and we multiplied it together. So we got the first question's answers, which means that it's the 30 powers of 5. And the second one is, in the above scenario, how many outcomes are possible if each student can receive at most 1 award? So it's quite different from the first one. At most 1 award means that if the S1 choose for A1, it cannot choose A2, A3, A4, or A5. So who will choose the A2, award 2? So S2 might take the award 2. S3 might take the award 3. S4 might take the awards 5. But S2 cannot take awards 1 because we only have 5 awards, and S2 and awards 2 need to choose it from S1 to from S2 to F30. Why? Because we already choose award 1 and give the award 1 to to students 1. So we need to minus this option, minus the options for students 1. So it should have 30 minus 1, 21 ways. And if we choose award 3, choose for number of ways for choose award 3, we will have the remaining 28 ways for choose award 3. So let's draw a tree diagram. So the first one to choose awards 1, we will have students 1, students 2, students 3, to students 30. But the second one, when we choose awards 2, we have already choose S1 as awards 1, so we need to choose from remaining S2 to S30. So similar as this one, we need to choose S1, S3 to S30. So we have 30 ways to choose step 1, 29 ways to choose step 3, step 2, and 28 ways to choose step 3. Why? Because when we already choose this one, we have remaining 28 ways from step 3 to step 30. And all this need to multiply together. So in the permutation, it means that we have different separate awards, and every different awards is different from combination, because when we choose combinations, it need to minus the repeated ones, but the awards are separated. When we choose A1, the other ones are both different. So we don't need to divide the repeated one, because because each award's names are different. So we should use permutation, and in the permutation, we totally n is equals to 30. We have 30 people, and we need to take 5 steps to choose 5 awards among the 30 people. And it was similar as this equation, which is 30 divided by 25. So that's it.